Dear students, I would like to introduce some general exercises on matrices and determinants for you.
We have a matrix like this. Matrix 2, 1, 3, -2 plus matrix 5, 2, 2, 3. This equal what? Add the corresponding elements. 2 plus 5 equal 7. 1 plus 2 equal 3. 3 plus 2 equal 5. -2 plus 3 equal 1. Matrix like this consists of these elements: 5, 2, 3, -4 minus matrix. Another matrix consists of these elements: 4, 3, 5, 0. Equal what? Subtract the corresponding elements. 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 equal 1. 2 minus 3 equal -1. 3 minus 5 equal -2. -4 minus 0 equal -4. We subtracted the two matrices. Now we want to multiply two matrices. This matrix consists of 4, -3, 2, -1 times another matrix -2, 1, 5, 6 equal what? The first row times the first column equal what? 4 times -2 plus -3 times 5 equal what? -23. Multiply the first row times the second column. 4 times 1 plus -3 times 6 equal what? Equal -14. Now multiply the second row times the first column. 2 times -2 plus -1 times 5 equal what? Equal -9. Now multiply the second row times the second column. 2 times 1 plus negative 1 times 6 equal what? Negative 4. Now, what is the value of this determinant? Determinant 2, 5, 3, A equal what? 2 times 8 minus 3 times 5. 2 times 8 equal what? 16 minus 3 times 5 equal what? 15. 16 minus 15 equal 1. Now, what is the value of this determinant? Determinant 2, 3, negative 1, negative 2, 0, 4, positive 1, negative 3. What is the value of this determinant? You should know this rule of signs. Negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. Choose any row or any column. Like the first row, 2, 3, negative 1. But you should take care of this rule of signs. 2 times this determinant. Cancel this and this. We obtain 0, 4, 1, negative 3. 0, 4, 1, negative 3. Now 3 beside it negative. Beside 3 negative. Negative 3. This small determinant consists of what? Cancel this and this. This column and this row, which consists 3. And beside 3 negative. Beside 3 negative. Cancel this and this. We obtain negative 2, 4, 1, negative 3. Negative 2, 4, 1, negative 3. Now 2 here, 3 here. Now negative 1 here. Negative 1. We don't write 1, but write this determinant, small determinant. What is the element? What should we put here? Cancel this and this. You obtain negative 2, 0, 1, 1. Negative 2, 0, 1, 1. What is the value of this determinant? This times this minus this times this. And also this times this minus this times this. this times this minus this times this. When you multiply this times this minus this times this all times 2, and also this, and also this, by this way. In the end, you obtain negative 12. This is the value of this determinant by using the rule of signs and by using the first row. 2, 3, negative 1, 1 we don't write it, negative according to this times this minus this times this, all times 2, and by this way we can obtain the value of this, and the total value is negative 12. Solve the following equations using Cramer's rule. 6x minus 5y equal negative 23. 3x plus 3y equal 16. Dear student, please write this in your notebook because we will need it next. Which we will write now depends on it. Write this in your notebook. We will need it. Delta equal this determinant of the coefficient. What is the coefficient of x? Put it here. And the coefficient of y. Coefficient of x are 6, 3. The coefficient of y, negative 5, 3. What is the value of this determinant? This times this minus this times this equal 33. Delta x equal this determinant like this, but instead 6 and 3 we will put the constant in the right hand side in the previous equations. What are the constants which without variables? What are the constants? 16, negative 23. 16, negative 23. And this I put it here as it is. What is the value of this determinant? This times this minus this times this equal 11. Delta y equal this determinant, small determinant, like this, but instead negative 5, 3, instead coefficient of y, we put the constant. What are the constant? 16, negative 23, put it here. And here I put the coefficient of x. Coefficients of x are 6 and 3. We put it as it is. Now, what is the value of this determinant? This times this minus this times this equal 165. Please, dear student, write this now in your notebook. Stop temporarily and write this in your notebook because we will need this in the next steps. Every step depends on the previous step. Every step depends on the previous step. We will need this. Write it, please. Now, this is a rule to find the value of x. Delta x over delta. From the previous step, delta x equal what? Review your previous step. Delta x equal 11. Delta equal what? From the previous step. Delta equal 33. Simplify it in the simplest form. You obtain 1 over 3, 1 over 3 or third. What is the value of y? Delta y over delta equal 165 over 33 equal what? Equal 5. Now, therefore, SS, the set of solutions, set consists of ordered pair. X, we put it here. Third, 5, put it here. The set of ordered pair, third and 5, according to the value of x and the value of y. Find using determinants the area of the triangle whose vertices are x, point x, the ordered pair 1 and 2, point y, ordered pair 3 and negative 4, point z, ordered pair negative 2 and 3. Dear student, please write this problem in your notebook because we will need it, and also you will need it to understand the next steps. The next steps depend on this data. The next steps depend on these data. E equal half determinant. What are x coordinates? 1, 3, negative 2 from the previous problem. What are y coordinates? 2, negative 4, and 3. This column is, I put in it 1, 1, 1 according to the rule. This is equal half. What should I put here? Calculate the value. Find the value of this determinant. according to the previous rules, the value of this determinant is what? 1. By using the third column, the value equal what? Negative 16 equal negative 8. We take the absolute value of negative 8. The area of triangle XYZ equal the absolute value of A equal absolute value of negative 8 equal 8 square units.
Best wishes from me for all of you, and thank you very much. Goodbye.